how to add more mods to a mod pack in CurseForge. So make sure your mod that you're going to download is compatible with the version you're playing. So let's say in CurseForge we're going for some mod over here. We're just gonna go to the mod pack. So choose your mod pack, of course. We're gonna go for ATM 10 to this guy. All you'll have to do is go ahead and download this. So you can click on it for more details, of course, and you can see what version this is for, which is 1.21.1. So you're gonna have to find a mod that is compatible with your game or your version that you're playing in your CurseForge. So just go ahead and install the version that you want, and once you get the file, you're just gonna go back to CurseForge in your mod packs or whatever mod pack you want to add the mod to. You'll be able to see this triple dot thing over here. What you're gonna have to do is just press that, open the folder, and whichever mod that you download, you're gonna have to drag it to the mod file, which should be this one. You're gonna drag it over here, and it should basically just paste. You can do the same by copy pasting to the mod pack file, but once you do that, you should be able to play that mod in that specific mod pack. So make sure it's compatible, of course, and you're keeping track with the mods you downloaded. Hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.